Hey guys, Davin here at brewbits.com. Now a little while back we brewed up a Simply Pale Ale beer kit, and it's about time really, I suppose we did a taste test. So this is it, this is one we bottled back in March 2024, lovely and clear. I don't know if you can catch that, James. I put a simple label on it, and it was it's been lively in the bottle, so see how it pours. I said it was going to be lively. Oh, lovely. You can get the malty smell from it already. I'm going to try not and get and make an ice cream here. Okay. I said it was going to be lively. I think I might have put a bit too much priming sugar in it, but not too bad. It's got a good head, although it's a head that's quickly reducing. Lovely malty sort of flavours and aromas from it, just like you would expect from a real bitter. I know that the pouch is very simple and its design is very, very simple. And I said to you before, don't let that put you off. What's inside is the stuff that counts. So yeah, I'm getting a good malty sort of aroma from it. I'm getting a bit of stony fruit, perhaps a little bit of toffee as well. It's got a lovely, lovely colour. Look, it's pale as it should be. It's not too dark. It's not red. Yeah, okay. It's got about the right sort of bitterness for a pale ale. It's got all those, again, lovely, fruity, malty, biscuity tones going on underneath. And on top of that, it's got some bit of plummy, jammy sort of flavours coming through on the tongue. And I think if I remember rightly, we used some malt extract with this instead of sugar. And that's made it so that it's had really nice, good body to it. It's not light and thin. But of course, you can, if you like it light and thin, you can use just sugar. But that's a really easy drinking pale ale. I think that's also going to be a really good base if you wanted to zhuzh it up, if you wanted to add some extra hops, like for dry hopping or something like that, if you like your craft beers, a load of citrus or mosaic hops in at the end of fermentation, and I think that would be a really good base for something like a West Coasty sort of American style pale ale. But for now, here you go, a really easy drinking, simply pale ale. Don't be put off by the packaging. It's what's inside that counts, as I said, and it's a pretty good beer for what's inside. For now, cheers, happy brewing.